Today we need to look at how we change percentages into decimals. This will be important for the work we're going to be doing later in the week. What we need to remember is that 1% is another way of writing 1/100, 1 over 100. Okay. And in our decimal system, the way we write 100th is 0.01. If you remember, we have units, tenths, hundredths. 1% is 100th, so it's 0.01. 2% would be 200ths, so that would be written as 0.02. Another way of doing this is to remember that another definition of 2 over 100 is 2 divided by 100. And the type of question we're going to be doing are actually calculator questions, so you can do this calculation on your calculator. I'll talk more about that in a moment. Okay, so this kind of stays the same down to 9%, which is 9 over 100. And as a decimal, 0.09. When we get to 10%, don't make the silly mistake that some people make. It's 10 over 100. It's not 0.010, it is 0.10, which matches what we know, that 10 over 100, 10% is 1/10. So in this one, we've got a 1 in the 10th column. Yeah, 10 hundredths is the same as 1/10. So 27%, 27 over 100, 0.27. Remember, you can do on the calculator if you need to. 27 divided by 100 to get that answer. 0.27. The percentages we're going to be using, we can actually get percentages that are more than 100. We can have 102%, which is just 102 over 100. Okay, now remember, if you had 100%, yeah, that would be 100 over 100, 100 hundredths, which is 1.00, the whole. Okay, 102% is 1 whole and 2 hundredths. But again, if you need to, use your calculator. 102 divided by 100 gives us 1.02. We can also have percentages which are not whole percentages. We can have 2.3%, which is 2.3 hundredths, 2.3 over 100, which gives us 1.0. That's not the 1, don't need the 1. 0.023. But if you're not sure, on the calculator, 2.3 divided by 100 will give you the answer 0.023. So if we have 103.5%, 103.5 over 100, 1.035. 1.0, sorry, 103.5 divided by 100 will give you 1.035. There is a worksheet to try, and there'll be a quiz up later to make sure we can do this before we move on.